Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2021 Nissan Qashqai 1.3 Dig T Premier Edition. This vehicle is a petrol manual. This vehicle is a Nissan approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover and a multi-point inspection by our Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let me show you around the car. Coming down to the front, we have LED headlights, front parking sensors, and a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel, and round to the side. This vehicle also comes with 360-degree cameras, rear privacy glass, and a panoramic roof. Coming down to the passenger side rear wheel, and round to the back. Rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Full cloth interior with grey stitching. Rear ventilation system and 2 USB charging ports. Let's take a look inside the front. This vehicle also comes with a heads-up screen display. Infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Climate controls, wireless charging pad, gear selector, drive mode selector, and electronic park brake. Coming down to the driver's side front wheel. And back around to the front. Thank you for watching this video.